Todd from ToyTrove.com, and today I'm going to be showing you the Takara wind-up R2-D2. This is a pretty neat, rare collector's item. In 1978, Takara made a bunch of knockoff Star Wars merchandise, and this was one of the nicest pieces. George Lucas, rather than get really ticked at them, basically because he always wanted to make a wind-up or a walking R2-D2 toy, went to Takara and acquired all their stock. One can only imagine what went on during this conversation, but most likely it seems like he gave them a kind warning not to produce any more. Then he brought them all back to North America, and they were mostly only sold in Canada and Mexico. This is probably because of a licensing issue with Kenner. Needless to say, this makes it a very rare, very nice item, and this is in perfect working condition.